I know you're gonna put this shit on YouTube. Subscribe to Magdaleno Adventures.
Yes, I'm recording the way you eat.
Mm.
No, your normal way you eat.
My wife doesn't feed me, so I have to feed myself.
Really?
Wait, the way I eat normally?
No, be realistic. Be your sloppy, slurpy self.
Hold on, hold on.
No, you don't sit up in bed and eat. You always lay
I
down
do
and
this
eat.
all the time.
Such a liar.
This is how I eat. And I chew 32 times.
Yeah, quick and loud.
Bless you. Bless you again. Wow.
But how could we turn into that?
Okay, you're keeping it mellow and quiet.
That makes you happier?
Well, that's the real way you eat.
Like a cow?
Yeah, I don't think people need to see that.
Make sure you got my good side.
Aren't all your sides the good side?
Oh, that's that fool, the hunter.
Yeah, he ignored me with that one.
Not here.
You do that to my brother, I'll kill you.
He's not going after the brother, he's going after the bitch.
Wow, really?
Well, that's what he's doing in the show. Commercial.
Oh.
There you go.
I don't understand. Should we be talking to the cops?
Well, let's show people. This is supposed to be chow mein. In California, is the noodles, but they call it lo mein. But right here is chow mein. It's stupid. It doesn't make sense. And then I got an orange peel.
Because you had orange chicken, my dear.
Who are you?
Never heard of orange peels.
And your orange chicken, yes, that's typical for very traditional Chinese. You're having traditional Chinese, not Americanized.
Yeah, we've been looking for you. I'm in Indiana. Lafayette. I know.
That's how you really eat. So
No, I don't.
yeah, you do.
Got here myself.
I was eating at a restaurant last night. Very classy. Going like this.
Oh yeah, we did eat it out last.
Thank you.
But not
And today
classy.
too.
Right now there's someone else. What? Who? I don't know. Let's find out.
Okay, we're done.
Where are you? Staying at 5637 Monroe Street. Meet me here. Yeah. Was that so long?
You stupid. Nobody's gonna watch that video of me eating like this. Imagine a million views. I'll be like, get the hell out of here. People like watching me eat.
Someone's got a gun on.
I'm making a mess on my side of the bed. Thank you very much.
Your bed is clean right now. Look, you see, it's clean.
You're flipping me off, really? You're stupid.
I'm just saying you're number one.
Mm-hmm.
Gordy. Told me the same ain't exactly safe people. Let's take this a little extreme. What do you think this is revenge?
I'm gonna make sure you get my good side. Come on, get everything. Get everything, come on. There you go. Follow the hand. Follow the hand. Follow the hand.
That's not.
You stupid.
I'm not.